EBPilot review. Hey everyone and welcome back. Tired of hearing that making money online is easy, but nothing works for you? This AI tool actually builds a profit-ready ebook business, even if you've failed before. Let me show you how. Additionally, I have some exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. So what is the EBPilot? EBPilot is your shortcut to launching a ready-to-profit online ebook store. With built-in AI tools, 10,000 plus DFY products, and instant payment integration, it's a complete business in a box, no experience required. Let's see the demo of EBPilot and understand everything about it.
You can also use our powerful AI ebook creator module to create ebooks in any niche in under a minute and instantly add them to your store. No hosting or domain needed. No web design skills required. No manual content creation necessary. And absolutely no steep learning curve to worry about. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Log in to the EBPilot cloud-based app. Step 2. Enter your ebook store's name right here, and instantly, you'll have a fully functional, professional ebook store preloaded with over 10,000 ebooks from the most popular genres ready to sell. From the EBPilot dashboard, you'll have complete control over all 10,000 ebooks. You can add your payment profiles, such as PayPal, Stripe, PayFast, or your bank account, and keep 100% of the profits from every sale. You can easily set custom prices for each ebook. You can even create unlimited discount coupons to attract more customers. But that's not all. Our AI-powered ebook creator module makes it possible to create high-quality ebooks in any niche in under 60 seconds. Simply enter your keyword, and our AI does the rest, delivering a complete, ready-to-sell ebook in just moments. You can then add these AI-generated ebooks to your store and keep 100% of the profits. In conclusion, EBPilot gives you everything you need to start a profitable online ebook store in just seconds, without monthly fees or hard work. You'll have full control over 10,000 done-for-you ebooks, plus the ability to create custom ebooks on demand using the AI module. We can't wait to see you on the inside. Thanks for watching.
I hope you understand how EBPilot does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the EBPilot at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. I hope you understand how EBPilot does its magic. Now let's see the OTOs of EBPilot. First, we have already seen the EBPilot front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Pro. It unlocks limitless ebook stores, AI-generated articles, 250,000 plus DFY ebooks, unlimited reseller licenses, commercial rights, and bonus tools, empowering users to scale, sell, and profit without restrictions. The second OTO is Premium. It lets users translate stores into 100 languages, send unlimited emails and push notifications, connect custom domains, and integrate analytics tools like Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and GTM. Third OTO is Gold. This upgrade adds 4 income streams, sells 100,000 DFY T-shirt designs, 120,000 audio tracks, 200 premium courses, and 726 software products, directly from your ebook store for massive profits. Fourth OTO is Platinum. This ChatGPT-powered upgrade auto-creates fully functional affiliate websites for books and online courses in under 60 seconds, complete with monetization, automation, and zero manual setup required. Lastly, the fifth OTO is Agency. EBPilot Agency lets you create unlimited client accounts, manage them from your dashboard, and includes done-for-you agency kits, making it easy to launch and scale your own ebook software business. Now, here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. This is your moment to stop watching others win and finally step into your own online success story. EBPilot hands you a complete, done-for-you ebook store ready to profit. No fees, no skills needed. Buy now, take full control, and start building daily income from the comfort of home.
Fearless.